Moving on to the Remuneration tab, TTI's completion guide will continue to guide us through the scenario. We'll click the link at the top left to jump to the payroll frequency cell. We'll indicate whether the entity determines payroll weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Once selected, the appropriate pay periods will automatically populate. If the pay periods need to be adjusted, they may be changed to match the qualifying entity. Please ensure that the opening payroll period includes March 15th. I'll enter a tick in the orange cell to continue to the next step. We appreciate that different businesses have different types of employees, some on salary and some on variable pay. To accommodate both, we have created a waterfall approach to help you allocate the remuneration for each employee. If an employee is on consistent salary, you can include this in the applicable cell. This is an optional input. Only daily amounts are used to calculate the wage subsidy. If this input is used, the worksheet will then allocate the annual salary to the various pay periods. If these populated amounts do not agree to payroll records, override any amounts needed. For those not on an annual salary or paid different amounts in different periods, you can include the amounts paid each payroll period directly in the applicable cells. Let's assume employee 2 started on April 1st earning $3,000 per period. This worksheet will take the total of each payroll period and create an average daily amount. For those paid different amounts on some days, you must enter the daily amount paid each day directly into the applicable cells. For example, if an employee were paid hourly, you can include the daily amounts directly in the section. If the worksheet recognizes that an employee has no amount allocated for 14 or more consecutive days during a qualifying period, the amount of the eligible remuneration per qualifying week will be calculated as 0. You may review the results of remuneration by qualifying week for each eligible employee, then continue to the qualifying period tabs.